Hey guys, it's Marichu and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be reviewing the new VT Cosmetics Atelier de Subtils hand collection in collaboration with BTS. So this is the box, this whole set of the hand cream is in here. And I just want to thank VT Cosmetics for sending me this so that I can review it for you guys. So they sent me this box containing all 7 hand cream and it's based on the scent of the L'Atelier perfume. You guys probably already know that they released the perfume last May, and now just recently they've released the hand cream. So if you're not into perfume, or if you feel like they are too strong for you, then always go for hand creams. You never go wrong with hand cream, and the packaging is so nice. Look at that. Also, they gave me these photo cards. What you call this one? Acrylic photo cards? I think that's what you call them. These are the acrylic photo cards, like, which you can't really tell. There you go. So these includes 7 signature hand cream blended with L'Atelier de Subtils signature perfume, and each of the hand cream contains 50 ml or 1.69 fluid ounce. The packaging is magnetic. Here are the 7 hand cream collection. It's so nice, it's so cute, look at that. So you have here Ocean, so this is Jungkook's signature scent, Musk, which is V's, Vert, which is Sugar, Bois, which is RM, Citrus, which is J-Hope's, and Cotton is Jeans, and Poudre, which is Jimin. So these are the 7 hand cream collection. I'm not gonna lie, this is going to be a hard review because, like, I mean, you won't be able to know what these hand creams smells like, but I'll try my best to explain each one of them. Okay, I'm gonna go first with Ocean, which is Jungkook's. I already own the perfume, so I know what it smells like, kind of. That's what it looks like. And at the back, just gonna squirt tiny bit like that. Yes, I really like the smell of this. So the fragrance note includes bergamot, lily, algae, rose, moss, and cedarwood. I can definitely smell rose on this one. Next one is Musk, which is V's scent. Ooh, I'm excited. So the fragrance note of this is blackcurrant, bud, bergamot, raspberry, cumin, neroli, tree moss, thyme. Oh god, I can't pronounce some of them. Sandalwood, musk. Swatch it this way, just that tiny bit. As I've said, if you're someone that's not really into strong perfume scent, you can always go for scented hand cream. Smells very manly. That is strong, like, it's like wood smell. Musk, it's not for me. Sorry, V. So the next hand cream that I'm gonna try is Vert, which is Sugar's. That's what it looks like. And the fragrance note of these are sweet orange, coconut, rosewood, vanilla. Oh, vanilla's my favorite scent. Patchouli, cedarwood, sandalwood, tonka, bean, moss. They have like similar notes on these hand creams. I need tissue. Be right back. They are very moisturizing though, I must say. Let's smell this one. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Vert, I recommend that scent. But guys, as I've said, I'm really bad at explaining. But anyways, yes, very woody smell, but very greens, very grassy. That's how it smells like. Kind of minty, like something like that. Anyways, moving on. Oh. Okay, so the next hand cream that I'm gonna try is Bois. This is RM. That's what it looks like. And the fragrance note of these are coriander, juniper, amberwood seed, lavender, vetiver, cedarwood. Cool. Bois means work in French, I think. Oh, I like the smell of this. Oh my god, guys, I like the smell of this. It's very manly and like it's very woody. How else do you explain this thing? It smells so good, like literally. It's not very strong, and also I'm not really into a citrusy smell. It smells like books. That's the kind of feeling I get from smelling this. I like it. Okay, the next one is citrus, which is J-Hope's scent. The fragrance notes of these are lemon, bergamot, parsley, nutmeg, algae, white musk, ambergris, pine, moss. Just dab a small bit on my arm. Oh yeah. Ooh, citrus. Very strong citrusy smell. I can smell like lemon zest. What else? What else is in there? Oh. It actually smells okay. Once you give it like a few seconds or minutes, it actually smells fine, but yeah, it smells very citrus. Okay, down to the second to the last. So this is cotton, which is Jean's scent, and the fragrance note of these are black currant, bergamot, apple, melon, jasmine, rose, plum, violet, sandalwood. There's lots. White musk, cedarwood. Why am I struggling with my other arm when I have the opposite arm? Oh, smells good. This smells good. Cotton. So it's soft, delicate, which is true. When it smells, I can smell like different, jasmine in here. There's black currant, apple. It smells sweet, but not too sweet. I like that. I like it. Okay, so down to our last one, which is poudre. And this is Jimin's scent. And the fragrance note of these are clover, bergamot, I can't read the names, patchouli, vanilla, sandalwood. Oh, I am excited because vanilla is my favorite scent. I'm actually excited on poudre, how it smells like. Let's find out. Oh my god, yes, it smells like baby powder. This is my favorite. I like this. Oh my god, Jungkook. I feel like, oh my god, poudre, it's my number one. I'm sorry, Jungkook. Poudre, I like the smell of poudre because I'm into vanilla scents, like sweet but not too sweet and very baby smell like. Oh my god, yes. Guys, I recommend this. It's so nice. Anyways, I hope you guys got something out of this review of the hand cream collection. If you guys want to get your hands on these, I will provide a link down below of where you can get this from. Again, thank you so much VT Cosmetics for sending me the whole hand cream collection of the L'Atelier de Subtils. So thank you guys so much for watching this review. So if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what do you guys think of the new BTS L'Atelier hand cream collection, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.